You're watching Dave's TV. And now to Dave in his man cave. Take it away, Dave.
What's up, everyone? Dave from Dave's TV, and welcome to the front porch. It's another beautiful day in Sebring, so we're going to do another beer review. So let's get to it. This is from another one from Evil Genius Beer Company. It is called Purple Monkey Dishwasher. It's a chocolate peanut butter porter. It's 6.7% ABV, 35 IBUs. And this is from my good friend Ernest Brown. I'm starting to knock them down a little bit, Ernest, but you sent me a lot. I appreciate it. So let's get into this. I like porters, especially chocolate peanut butter. Says, hell yeah, that's our website. Not much on the bottle. evilgenius.beer, in case you're wondering. So before we crack it open, we can see what it looks like. Not much head on it. About a finger and a half. Got strong carbonation. Light tan head on it. And it is dark, folks. Just watching my neighbor across the street rake pine leaves or needles and leaves up. Bet he's retired. I don't have to do that. Not yet. Well, let's get a nose into it. I smell a hint of the chocolate and a hint of peanut butter. It is not strong by no means. That's about all I'm getting. I'm getting light chocolate, light peanut. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, you get a very slight hint of the chocolate and the peanut butter. A little bit of a roastiness to it. Alcohol, what did I say it was? 6.7, not even tasting any alcohol, which is really good. A little bit of bitterness to it, very little, but flavor-wise, I'm getting a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of peanut butter. It's on the back end when you swallow, it's like it gets like a roasty, smoky type flavor. You really taste the peanut butter in the aftertaste right at the end there. Carbonation is medium to strong. It's steadily going up on this glass, but definitely a good tasting porter. I appreciate it, Ernest. This is going to be kind of a quick video because there's a lot of sound out here and that sirens never fails. But if you would, everyone, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Let me know if you've had one of these before. And these guys, are out of, is it Pittston, Pennsylvania. But yeah, guys, gals, if you find one of these, try it. Second Evil Genius I've had, I've liked both of them. So once again, everyone, please like, subscribe, share, comment, And as some of my good friend YouTubers say, be kind to your neighbors. Drew, beer for breakfast, facts for snacks. Using your line, buddy. There ain't nothing wrong with being kind. So, cheers, everyone. Oh, yeah. Drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Cheers. Thumbs up.